Motorola's smartphones are the best in the mid-budget segment. Continuing this legacy, Motorola is all set to launch yet another spectacular smartphone. According to leaks, Motorola will soon introduce the Edge 70 Ultra under its Edge series, which will be the successor to the Edge 60 Ultra. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this power-packed smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today, we'll be diving deep into all the leaked specs, price, launch details, and final thoughts of this incredible device. So let's start. Moto Edge 70 Ultra 5G features breakdown. Display. The Motorola Edge 70 Ultra is expected to feature a massive, 6.8-inch Full HD Plus punch-hole display, with a stunning 2K resolution. This 3D curved display comes with a POLED panel, and an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals. But that's not all. The display also boasts a peak brightness of 4000 nits, HDR10+ support, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Plus, it's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3 Plus protection, and comes with an IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. The Edge 70 Ultra packs a triple rear camera setup, designed for pro-level photography. The main attraction is the 108-megapixel Sony primary sensor with OIS for ultra-stable shots. Alongside it, you get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide macro lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, with 50x hybrid zoom capabilities. For selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera ready to capture stunning portraits and crisp video calls. Performance. Under the hood, the Edge 70 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the most powerful mobile processor yet, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, built on a 3nm fabrication process for unmatched efficiency and speed. On the software front, it will run the latest Android 15 out of the box, with 3 years of OS updates, and 4 years of security updates, ensuring your phone stays fresh and secure for years. Battery and charging. Fueling this beast is a massive 6000 mAh battery, supported by 125-watt ultra-fast charging, meaning you can go from 0 to full in no time. Additionally, it supports 65-watt wireless charging, 25-watt reverse charging, and comes with a Type-C Gen 3 port for faster data transfer. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The Motorola Edge 70 Ultra is expected to be priced around $800. As for the launch date, Motorola could unveil it very soon, so stay tuned for official updates. Final thoughts. If the leaks are true, the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse, with top-tier specs, a stunning display, and a camera setup that rivals flagships.